So you've seen how much chlorine was in the pool. It usually makes my hair like stand up on end because it becomes very sticky and oily feeling. And once I go into the Anespa, you'll see the difference. Okay, so you've seen me jump out of the pool. I dried myself off and I spiked my hair up, and you can see how it was like staying up. Then I came into, I'm calling my Anespa shower. The water comes out of the shower nozzle, comes down into this pipe through the filters and then back out to the shower head. I'm a bit of a skeptic. I had to try it for myself, and what I found straight away, I was like, no, I don't feel much different. But I went to brush my hair and my hair is just like light as a feather. It's just unreal compared to the pool, which made it like I had gel in there.
Now, Kangen isn't the sort of guy that admittedly pays much attention to his hair health, but on the day that he set up his Anespa shower filter and had his first shower, he was pretty excited to share his results about how different his hair felt, as you could hear in his voice. Now, people pay big money for fancy shampoos and products to create this feeling within their hair. But what if the answer is just to change the quality of the water that you use and remove chlorine altogether? Now, if you own a pool, you could make a transition from a chlorinated pool to a saltwater pool, but as you can see, with his saltwater pool, it still requires chlorine. But what about the day-to-day things that you can control, like the water that you bathe in and shower in? Learn more about water, filtration, ionization, and Enagic's Anespa water filter at kangencartel.com.